So I aired up the tire before we pulled the motor out because I thought it was flat. And no, it's just because the motor is so heavy. This thing's a friggin' monster truck now. It's not as floppy as I thought it was gonna be. She's up in the front big time. Got that, what do they call that? Cali squat. Hey guys, Chevy and Chris here again. We're gonna pull the transmission out of this to get it ready for the Turbo 350 and the 355 I just rebuilt. If you watch the 350 rebuild video, that was this motor. Anyways, I'll finish painting it up. I gotta get a dual plane intake because that it's the extra tall Victor Jr. So it ain't gonna work on this motor for this car. It's too heavy. But we got a 3500 stall. We got a Turbo 350 from a buddy. So we're gonna pull this whole 700 R4 out of here and sell it. Somebody else can have this. But anyways, that's what we're doing. So throw you under the car so you can see.
Yes, look okay on it. Gonna have to
Probably want to get the jack under it before you take too much nut off.
yeah, I got a ways to go. We're gonna have to do something. They got the exhaust hung off of it too.
Oh, okay.
Something that's attached to the transmission.
Bolt?
Yeah.
I gotta weigh this dude.
Try and twist it.
Yeah.
Whoop.
I'm gonna pull it towards me a little bit. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Alright. Let's go slow. It's my first time.
You ready?
Yeah. Easy. Oh. Go ahead. That dipstick ain't gonna make it. That's a tall dipstick. This is a long dipstick. I don't know if it'll make it anywhere.
Just pull out.
Oh man. I think we might be better off like cherry pickering it out.
Really?
Yeah, because if we pull the dipstick out,
Oh.
I mean we can get in there and pick it up if you want, but it's gonna be hard to get it, you know.
I thought the dipstick was coming out.
Yeah, but it's gonna pour fluid everywhere.
Oh.
That's the. We should have took that out. I don't know. What do you think?
You help me get it up on this cross member.
I could probably do that. Let's jack it up. I mean, let's take half of the work out of it. I can get out and jack it up if you want to steer it. Okay. I didn't even think about that. My bad. Alright, just a second. Let's scoot the jack. Alright, go ahead and go up. Alright. Alright. You can jack it up more if you want, but it's, yeah. Okay. I can get under the tail housing and help you get it up there now. Yep. I lied. I wasn't ready.
Right, well,
we just got to keep the tail up or it's going to leak.
Just let it go.
Okay.
I got it.
That transmission fluid smells bad. It's got a stench. Okay, we're just gonna stick it up here.
Just sit there. Ready?
Yep. Cool.
Made it.
That wasn't that bad.
Whoa.
After the shit I've been through in the last few days, that was nothing. I'm good.